Hi, my name is Dave Andrews. Today I'm going to show you how to create a simple budget in Excel. Let's open up Excel by clicking on the Start button. Let's go to All Programs, locate Microsoft Office. Let's open up Excel. Now, in our budget, let's create two columns here. The first one is going to be, let's say item name. And let's say B is going to be the budgeted amount. And let's say C will be the amount spent. Now over here, let's drag D over a little bit, and let's say, difference. Great. So in our item name, let's say mortgage. Let's say food, gas. Well, let's just go with that for now. Now for our mortgage, let's say our budgeted amount will be $1,500 a month. For food, let's say $600. And for gas, let's say, $700. Just making this up as I go along. Now let's say this month we've actually spent our mortgage amount because we know how much that's going to be. For food, let's say we spent about $557. And for gas, let's say we took a trip this month, we spent $850. Now in the difference, we're going to create a formula that will calculate these two. To do so, let's click in the first area of difference, type the equal sign to begin your formula. Let's say the budget amount by clicking on it, and then type a minus sign and click on amount spent. So it'll be B2 minus C2. Let's say enter. The difference in that case is 0. Let's copy this and paste it. As you can see, Excel is telling us what we've gone over in our budget and what we have remaining. It's that easy to create a simple budget. My name is Dave Andrews, and I've just showed you how to create a simple budget in Excel.